Mr. Donovan, there are many heavyweights candidates in the mayoral race. How and why do you think you will be the next mayor of New York City?
Well, first, because what I hear every day across New York City is that New Yorkers want two things. They want change. They know that New York has been going in the wrong direction with all the issues that we talked about, with homelessness, with crime, with many other things. And so we have to change directions. And we need someone who comes from outside the political status quo. Many of those other candidates, they've been in office for many years. They have not made change. I would come in and change the direction. I'm not part of the political status quo. But here's the other thing. New Yorkers also want experience. I have the deepest experience of any candidate, especially in moments of crisis. And what I'm hearing over and over again from New Yorkers across the city is that's what they want, change and experience. And we believe that as more New Yorkers tune into this race, we're seeing more and more people come to support me, and that's how I'm going to win.